The top 5 best embroidery machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The SE600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. This machine features 103 sewing stitches including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed 710. The Brother SE600 computerized sewing and embroidery machine features a large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen allowing you to preview your designs before stitching. Recommendation number 2. Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This easy-to-use and professionally engineered machine allows you to create projects from scratch with 240 built-in sewing stitches and 138 built-in embroidery designs. A large LCD color touchscreen display allows users to view their designs and editing options in full color prior to beginning their sewing project. The Brother SE1900 also features My Custom Stitch, which permits you to design your own custom sewing stitches and save them on your machine for future use. With the flexibility to combine designs, change colors, and upload multiple pre-designed patterns. Recommendation number 3. Brother Embroidery Machine PE800. 138 built-in designs, featuring 138 built-in embroidery designs including scrollwork, florals, and quilt patterns. The PE800 has numerous options to allow your creativity to flourish. 7 English, 3 Japanese, and 1 Cyrillic font styles are perfect for monogramming and lettering. The PE800's USB port allows you to import your embroidery designs into your machine's built-in memory. The large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen allows you to preview your designs before embroidering. Recommendation number 4. EOC05 Embroidery Machine. Poulin Embroidery Machine is equipped with a large LCD touchscreen that can drag and edit patterns, like operating a mobile phone. Do what you want. From pattern selection to editing, then to embroidery letter and pattern combination in multiple colors. Save edited patterns for next time use. 96 built-in designs, 8 lettering fonts and 10 languages allow you to quickly train after the machine is delivered. This automatic embroidery machine comes with 4 inches by 9.25 inches and 4 inch by 4 inch hoops, the large enough embroidery area to do more embroidery. Recommendation number 5. Brother Embroidery Machine PE550D. Featuring 125 built-in designs including 45 Disney designs, the PE550D allows you to bring magic to any project. Personalize your projects with 6 English and 3 Japanese lettering font styles. Import your embroidery designs into your PE550D's built-in memory through the USB port. Preview your designs before embroidering with a large, 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen display. This embroidery-only machine comes with a 4 inch by 4 inch hoop, an embroidery foot and built-in alignment tools.